Muslim boys' names starting with L with meaning in English by I. Fechner. Labib means wise, understanding, sensible, intelligent. Like means deserving. Light means lion. Lami means bright, shining. Latif means gentle, pleasant, friendly. Latifa means elegance. Liaka means fitness. Liaquat means worth, deserving, merit. Luqman means clear way, convincing. Lutf means bounty, enjoyment. Lutfi means kind and friendly. Lutfullah means kindness of God. Ladies and gentlemen, please note that this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. Names can be spelled differently in different regions and they can mean different in different languages. Please consult a local consultant or a scholar before finalizing a name for your baby. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family members. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.